With a combined expertise in both radio frequency and fibre optics, there's been a lot of interest in the new integrated broadcast portfolio from Swiss giants HUBER+SUHNER here at IBC in Amsterdam. Application engineer Giovana Labegalini joins me now. Giovanni, tell me about this portfolio and why it's so significant for the broadcast sector.
Yeah, well, HUBER+SUHNER has, as you said, the expertise into fiber optics and in the RF. And what we are bringing now is combining these two technologies into a setup that we can take RF signals, transport it over an RF over fiber system, and we can control the signals via optical switching and combine with all the infrastructure in fiber-based that we can offer, such as harsh environment, mobile cables, connectors, and all the control room system data center-like that HUBER+SUHNER has already offered for many broadcasters.
Now, optical switching is the key. This switch is very, very special, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's a 100% optical switch. We have a very special technology to make the signals align to each other. It's very reliable, and we can add different functionalities to it. For example, if you have a live event and you have some cables that might suffer disruptions, we can configure a protection path, and the switch immediately routes a lost fiber to a second camera, so that there is no issue of losing a signal at some point in the event. And it can compensate different size of circuits, inserting some kind of attenuation in the fiber, and makes every signal has the same timing during the transmission. And it's also you can do all this stuff remotely, so it's remotely controllable, and it's SDN enabled, so you can control it via the software we provide, or you can integrate it into other controlling systems that you already have. So it's a very flexible platform that matches a lot with the other infrastructure that we already supply. And here at the booth you can see the whole setup complete, from the RF over fiber converters to the switch and our fiber environment also.
So are we going to see more and more from HUBER+SUHNER in broadcast?
We believe so. We see that there is a trend of the migration or much more fibers into the broadcast environment. So the videos are becoming IP videos, a lot of IP data, and there is a trend of the files, like the image, to get more resolution. This brings more data to the network, and we see that fiber optics is important. It's going to be key for the broadcast industry to support all the upcoming demands, and it's already happening, and that's why we see HUBER+SUHNER as with a great potential now to come to the industry with all the expertise we already have into providing fiber systems to different applications where data is becoming more and more critical.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.